Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to add text in Canva. So let's get started. At first let's get into Canva app. So here it is. Now to start new project you can simply click on this plus icon over here. Now you can choose any of these as per your need. Let's go for phone wallpaper for now. Now choose any of the pictures you want. Now to add text in it, you can simply tap on this plus sign over here. So let's tap on this and you can see this T written over here, that is text. So let's tap on this. Now you can add any text you want. You can add headings in this and subheadings and other text, that is body over here. Let's go for heading only for now. So here it is. So now we are done. To download it, you can simply tap on this icon over here. So let's tap on this and the image will be saved. So this is it. This is how you can add text in Canva. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.